In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the accumulation map in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the page for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the middle or left side of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add different tools and scripts to your chart. When the Indicators window appears, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on that search box so you can type into it. This is the easiest way to quickly find a specific indicator without scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search bar, start typing Accumulation Map. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You want to look for the Accumulation Map indicator in the results list. The exact category or author name can vary depending on the script you're using, but you should clearly see Accumulation Map in the title. Once you've located it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will add it directly to your active chart. Take a moment to let it load, and then you should see the Accumulation Map appear either overlaid on your price chart or in a separate panel below, depending on how the indicator is designed. At this point, you can hover over the indicator's name on the chart and click the settings icon to customize it. Here you can usually change colors, line styles, or visibility, and sometimes even adjust the calculation inputs. Feel free to tweak these settings so the accumulation map is easy for you to read and fits the style of your chart. If you don't see the accumulation map in your search results, it may be a feature or script that's more accessible or performs better with a TradingView Pro subscription. If you're considering upgrading, I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up for TradingView Pro. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it also unlocks more advanced charting features, additional indicators per chart, and an overall smoother experience while you're trading or analyzing the markets. And that's all there is to it. By opening the Indicators menu, using the search box, and selecting the accumulation map, you can quickly add this powerful visualization to your TradingView Pro charts and start incorporating it into your trading workflow.